2 years ago, the states did agree that the immigration into the island should be a net 325 people as a maximum. That seems to me perhaps to be a little high, but nonetheless one has to accept the fact that people are living longer and it is necessary to have the work which needs to keep the island going done. And that inevitably means that a small number of people have to come in every year. Although one might think that newcomers are coming off the boat and taking the jobs of locals, I don't think that actually is the case. The Population Office told me earlier this week that the number of non-qualified employees who were approved in the licenses given to businesses was reduced by 600 in 2010. And the problem arises really in reconciling the jobs that are available to people and the skills of those who are out of work. There are not enough tradesmen in the island, plumbers, electricians and so on. There are not enough people with qualifications to work in the finance industry, and these are the jobs that need to be filled. Conversely, there are jobs in the hospitality sector and in agriculture, and the reality is that people who are unemployed don't want to take those jobs. So the problem is not an easy one to solve. The states have passed a new job and housing and work law, and I hope that that will, as my time is up, improve things next year.